Hey there, and welcome back to FIFO. All right, got something a little special for you guys tonight. It's the beginning of the sleeper build. I got a comment on YouTube saying that I should probably explain what a sleeper build is and not assume that everybody knows anything about everything about computers. And they were absolutely correct. Shout out to that person. Their name is going to be linked somewhere on the over here, maybe there. I don't know. We'll figure it out as we go along. So a sleeper build is where you take an older computer, and the more absurdly old it is, the better it is going to be as far as a sleeper build. And it works a little bit like race cars. People will build a race car, and it will be a sleeper build. It'll look like a regular, 1976 Chevy pickup truck, and they'll put a Ferrari engine in it or something amazing like that. More or less what I will be doing is putting a Ferrari engine inside of this computer. It is a Tandy, and it is excellent, and I got it from a guy that knows a guy that knows a guy on Facebook, and it came with all of the manuals, a couple of cartridges, but this is TRS80. I was addicted the minute I touched it. It's just absolutely the beginning of where my career, my life started. And back then, if you were the guy that spent all day in a dark basement, which it was exactly where I sat, and you coded all day long just to make your name type across there, you were considered a geek. You were a nerd, and those were not nice words. Those were tantamount to being called a very, very bad word today. But nowadays, geek, chic is all the same. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and tilt the cameras and start showing off what I got. I'll be right back. I'm going to pause all the videos and start them again, so that way they get to see the inside of this wonderful, amazing box. The best part about this is whenever I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give this away to somebody. So we have plenty of time to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm not even going to do parts. I'm just going to add this to a playlist, and you can play it as it goes along, and I'll bring you guys along for the ride. But we have some parts that we have to order. We have some things. I think I have the 2080 Ti already. Yes, I already have the 2080 Ti. I think I'm going to need an AIO cooler. I don't really think there's going to be enough room for a custom loop in this. And for those of you that don't know about computers, a custom loop is a water loop that you create yourself. And if you want to know about water cooling, I'm going to leave a link down in the subscription to another YouTuber that is extremely well versed in water cooling. His name's Jay's 2 Cents, and if you follow computers, you've probably got him already added to your playlist, and you already know what I'm talking about. This is for the ones that don't. There we go. Memory card added, and hitting the record button now. All right. And we're back. And we're going to go ahead and start taking this thing apart. Let's roll it over. Got my trusty iFixit kit. They did not sponsor anything. I don't even qualify for sponsors yet, I don't think. But if you work on anything electronic, you got to get one of these things. They're just amazing. The one I have is I believe the Marlin set, and it's got every bit you could possibly imagine. We're gonna need some old folks eyes. No, that is not eyes from old folks, it's eyes for old folks. It's just a standard Phillips head bit. Nothing special down in there at all. So I found it without breaking the case, but I definitely voided the warranty because I just punched a hole through the warranty sticker. Hashtag thug life. Warranties be damned. And that comes off with no force whatsoever. Alright. So this is our top piece. That piece is going to be refinished. Alright. Set that over there and make the gaming cat mad. And from the inside, it looks like we're pretty much so exactly what we'd expect to use, see? So we're probably not going to mess with it. I did test it when I got it, I guess about 5 months ago. But there's no way to know whether or not, I mean, I guess there is a way to know. I just don't want to know. So the keyboard replacement is going to be super simple here. That is so nice. I really don't think that this is going to be as difficult of a build as I thought it was going to be. I think we're going to have to cut this entire bottom pan off and then extend that down. But I think we can probably do that with gray acrylic or even some ABS plastic and with a vacuum form. And then just make an extension on top of it. That actually may work. So if you don't know what a vacuum form is, it is where you heat up some ABS plastic, you pull it down over the top of the object once you've modified it in the way you want to. A lot of model makers use it for kit bashing and things like that. But you'll add things onto a small device, and then you'll pull that ABS plastic that's been heated up down over the top of it, draw the air out, and it'll vacuum to and form perfectly to the piece that you have with the additions on top of it. So all we have to do is cut a couple of pieces of plywood to give it a little more depth here, and we can vacuum form this, trim it out, pop it back on there. None the wiser. Yeah, this is going to make an amazing sleeper build. So let's go ahead and pull the keyboard out. And I don't think that it is clip retained. I think it is just a slide pin. Yep, I was right. If I wasn't, then I just broke it, but yeah, I'm right. Oh man, this. Made in Japan. So, not much has changed. The all-important brake button. Oh, I broke it. Alright. So, let me get the board out. Need to hit it with the 10-pound hammer. All right, she's out. I'm gonna break out the calipers and I'm gonna go ahead and start measuring. Let's get an accurate 3D model made of both the top and bottom. Let's try turning it around the correct way and start sizing for the new motherboard. I know that all of these are going to have to go. And I'm hoping to be able to keep the bottom intact so that if I ever want to reverse this and go back to its original state, I can. Okay. Oh, I know what I'm going to do. For this right here, that could be the I/O for the graphics card. Oh, vertically mounted, horizontally mounted. Well, it's a vertical layout, so I mean a horizontal layout, so it's still a horizontal mount. I don't know how to put that, but anyway, there's our empty shell. This is what we'll be working with. This is what we will be putting $3,000 worth of parts into, and I'm excited about it. And I'm excited for it, and I'm excited for you to see it, and I'm excited for the winner of this. Like, subscribe, comment. If you didn't like it, you know what to do there. Go ahead and hit that thumbs down button. It doesn't matter whether you like it or you dislike it. As long as you comment, you're still entered to win the contest. So, feel free to be honest. Help me out. Let me know what I'm doing right and wrong. Because I like constructive criticism. Helps me become a better person. Alright, guys. That's it for FitFo today. Don't forget to FitFo that